Krishna, welcome to my channel Linux Lab. Today I'm going to tell you about the advanced package management system, and I'll be discussing about the two commands on CentOS system, that is CM and DNF, and why these two are important and why we are taking this. One is for install, remove and update packages, then handle dependencies automatically, then perform system updates. So let's start. Suppose we have a scenario like a CentOS virtual machine or a server, and we want to install Apache on it. So how to do that? So make sure that your repositories are up to date. So for that, will you first use like sudo dnf, and it will be using make. This is the first command, so that you will be checking the repository are up to date or not. Second command I'll be using. I'm not using the commands in the system because I'm just going to show you what are the commands to be used for this, because I've already updated all the things in my system. So just to show you, searching for the package. So how will you do that? DNF and then search, and then the package name HTTPD. Okay, so that's how you can search the package. Next step is installing Apache web server. So for that again we are using, and then DNF and then install, then HTTP and then -y. Okay, so that is command for installing Apache web server. Next we'll be using for starting and enabling the service of systems. Systemctl start your HTTPD. That is one command. Another command will be enable HTTPD. There's another command. Then again you have to check the status of it. So for that we'll use status here. So these three commands we have to use. The next step will be checking install packages. So for that we'll be using app and then list and then installed. So it will give you, if I hit enter, it will show you all the installed components in the system. So I'm not doing that. So for that again you will be using sudo and then dnf and http -y. Cleaning unused packages and cache. Again sudo dnf and auto remove. That is one command. Another command is sudo dnf clean-all. So that's how it will be working. And then we have to update and go to advanced usage of it. So view enable repositories for that. So for that we'll use dnf repo list, dnf repo list. Then we'll be using sudo dnf update, sudo dnf update -y. This is for updating all installed packages. Then we'll use lock package version, that is echo. Then we'll use lock package version. To see that we'll use echo quote exclude colon quotation close, give a gap, pipe sign, then sudo and then t. After that -a, then etc and then dnf, then dnf.conf. So that's how it will be using that. So these are all the steps to be used while using and installing this Apache web server. So I'm just giving you the steps here so that it will be easy for you to remember. So I have written it to the notepad. I hope you can see now. So this was a scenario for us. We had to install that virtual machine or server. We want to install the Apache package. Step 1 would be make sure repositories are up to date. So that's the command I have used. Then I have used this one. Step 2, then step 3 will be install Apache web server. Step 4, start and enable the service. Step 5, check status. 6, check install packages. 7, remove the package. Then clean unused packages and cache. After that Advanced usage, you have to see like this: view enable depositories, which I used just as a command here. Then update all installed packages, and then your log package version. So I just copied and pasted here the command. So this is the command. This is a log package version. So that's how the process will follow. So that's all folks for today. We'll meet with you soon with another video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video or here, you get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with your patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet with you soon with another video. Hare Krishna, Hare Bol. Thank you so much.